Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. So Nykaa's Pink Summer Sale is almost here and I have some recommendations for you guys. I have more than 15 products for you. So maybe this video will be little too longer than expected. Grab your snack, turn on your AC, your fan, your cooler, whatever you are comfortable in, and let's get started with today's video. Alrighty, so I'll start in a random order. Whatever product comes to my hand first, I'll speak about that. I will give mini reviews talking why I love these products, and if you want an in-depth review about demos, swatches and everything, you can head on to my channel. Alrighty, so the first one is Benefit Professional Super Setter Setting Spray. I just love this because it makes my makeup really very long lasting in this hot and humid summer climate, and also it has a very ultra fine mist. It is a very similar dupe to Urban Decay, and I think it is priced at similar range. So yes, if you are planning to pick one of that product that is going to keep your makeup long lasting, you can try using this. You can use to prep and prime your face in between, also use to set and fix your makeup in place. Next is e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. e.l.f. generally goes on buy one get one or flat 20% off. So if you still haven't tried out this product, please get your hands on. You'll really love it. It is supposed to be a close dupe to Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, but I think this is much better than the CT one, and I really love it. Has got a very sheer coverage, but it gives you a goddess-like glow. I generally love to use it with all my dewy foundation to give me that extra boost of glow. And if you still want an affordable, similar dupe to this, then you can try the Revolution Bright Light Face Glow. You have only 2 shades in this, whereas in e.l.f. I think you get 5 to 6 shades. So this is something a very bummer in Makeup Revolution one, but this is a more 400 to 500 less than e.l.f. So you have got 2 options. If you haven't tried it, please go and get your hands on. Next, I have 2 of my favorite drugstore foundation. The first one being La Mer Skin Clarifying Foundation. I'm in the shade 406 Sand. Well, this shade still runs a little bit dark on my skin tone. I have swatched and compared 2 shades. If you want, you can head on to my channel, and this is supposed to be a full coverage foundation with lightweight finish, and it is perfect for even your everyday wear. I just love how beautifully it sets on my skin. I have a dry skin type, still I love to use this. Plus it does not emphasize any of my texture, and also it is oily skin friendly because this is infused with tea tree, and also it is non-comedogenic product. It is oil-free formulation. And the next one is Faces Canada 3-in-1 Hydra Matte Foundation. Oh my god, this foundation, I wear it in winters, in summers, in monsoon, and it gives me a very beautiful finish. It gives you medium to buildable full coverage, and still it feels just as your skin. The shade is perfect match for me. I'm in the shade Warm Sand, and I love using this, you guys. It has a light, runny kind of texture that you can use it for your everyday wear, and it is something easily available, very very affordable, like under 400 you can find this foundation. Next is Smashbox All-in-One Tinted Moisturizers. I have 2 sizes with me. The first one is full size, which is the shade medium, and the mini version is in the shade tan. Now this mini size is going to last you for ages if you want to try it out. This is my absolute favorite tinted moisturizer, you guys, because it has a little bit of more coverage, and also it is very long lasting, suitable for all skin types, though it generally gets oily after few hours, which I really don't mind, because even after few hours my matte foundation turns oily on my T-zone area. So I always generally blot those oil and powder my face really lightly and set it, and I'm fresh as never before. So if you have still not got it, planning to get, I think you should go for a mini size if you get your shade, and if you don't, then you can even pick up this in full size, because Smashbox generally goes on buy one get one or buy 2 get 1, or sometimes even flat 20% off. So you can get your perfect one. It is perfect for your everyday wear. You will love the formulation because also it contains SPF of 25 and has all other skincare benefits. Next one is this NYX Plump Right Back Primer, which is one of my favorite one, and I use it with most of my foundation. With this primer, I have never experienced my foundation peeling or my foundation getting dry. It just spreads very easily and it gives me a flawless finish, and I prefer it more than the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer, because the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer is very tacky and it takes a lot of effort to blend it onto your skin. But this on the other hand blends easily, spreads easily, and also it provides hydration because it is infused with all other skincare benefits and it is suitable for each and every skin types. Next is an affordable skin tint from a drugstore brand, and also it is one of my favorite. I'm talking about the La Mer Smart Skin Tinted Foundation. I'm in the shade 408 Honey, which is again a little bit dark on my skin tone. The shade lighter than this is again very light for my skin tone, so it is not my match. I have compared both the shades on my channel. If you're interested, please head on to my channel. So yes, this foundation, or you can say a tinted foundation, is your perfect everyday foundation. It has a thicker consistency, glides so seamlessly onto your skin, perfect for your everyday wear. It has a little bit of radiance that it provides and it makes your skin look healthy, and also it has SPF of 30, which is a great thing, you guys. So yes, I really love this because it is again very hydrating because it is infused with hyaluronic acid, and I have never experienced my skin getting dry after 4 to 5 hours because I generally wear foundation for that long. If I'm not attending any kind of event, I'm generally wearing a foundation for 4 to 5 hours, and for 4 to 5 hours it just stays so beautifully. Even in summers, this foundation is chef's kiss, you guys. I just love it. If you have tried Mars Northern Lights in a Pan multichrome eyeshadow, then I think you should try out their Northern Lights liquid eyeshadow because these are so buttery smooth. It just glides on so easily. But once it sets, it is not going to move anywhere because it is a budge-proof, smudge-proof and a waterproof formulation. It does not flake off. It does not leave any kind of streakiness, and it's so beautiful. The colors are so gorgeous. I think you get 5 to 6 shades in this. I have 2 with me and I really loved it, you guys. Mars have done something great with these liquid eyeshadow because when you apply it and when you see the shift of color from different angle, it just blows your mind, you guys, because I have never expected Mars can come up with such kind of formulation, and it's worth the money. I think it's priced at rupees 599, but in discount you will find it at much cheaper price, so you should try one of the shades for you. Now we all have a foundation, either it is too yellow or too orange on our skin tone, but we want to neutralize it and you want a good neutralizer or a color corrector which is blue in color. So I have 2 options for you. One is the e.l.f. Camo color corrector in blue. I have already done an in-depth review on this. This has a sheer coverage which does not alter your foundation shade in any way, but just neutralizes your foundation if you have too much of yellowness or orangishness going on in your foundation. The next one is this Makeup Revolution Ultimate Pigment Base. Now this is supposed to be your eye base, but I prefer it using as a color corrector for my darker foundation, and it works totally well, you guys. This also does not alter your foundation shade in any ways, but neutralizes the foundation and makes it wearable for you. Tinted lip oils are doing thing nowadays, you guys. It's trending. So if you are looking out for an affordable one, then you can try out the La Mer Plumping Tinted Lip Oil. This does not plump your lips in any ways, but provides a good hydration and nourishment to your lips. Also, this is in the shade Berry, which is their newest launch. They have now couple of shades in this tinted plumping lip oil, and this Berry shade, oh my god, it's such a pretty shade. After it reacts to my skin's pH level, it just changes its color, and the color is so beautiful. It just looks beautiful on brown skin, and also the tint is really very beautiful. It's berry kind of shade which does show up on my pigmented lip. So definitely I would highly recommend this product to you guys. If you're looking out for a dupe to Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Powder, then you can try the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Mattifying Powder. I'm in the shade Tan. This is one of my favorite powder because it's such lightweight and does not make your skin feel dry or stretchy in any ways. Also, it helps to mattify the areas where you generally oil, and it just keeps and blurs out those pores and your fine lines in place. Yes, and it locks the oil in place for certain hours. It's such beautiful, you guys. It also provides a very airbrushed kind of look. This is the shade Tan. And Nykaa's pink sale is the best time to invest in lip tints, be it Romand or any of the lip tints. The first one is the LA Girl Glossy Lip Stain. This is in the shade Magic. Oh my god, it's one of my favorite everyday wear kind of shade. The glossiness is so beautiful, so lightweight, glass-like shine it gives, and it leaves a beautiful stain on your lips, which I absolutely love because on my dark pigmented lips. I never thought that it would show up, but still it did. Then I have 3 lip tints from Romand. The first one is the Zero Velvet tint in the shade Fade Red, which is one of my favorite shade from their Zero Velvet tint, and it's my go-to, you guys, because when I don't have anything on my face, like no makeup at all, I use this shade and it brightens my skin like anything. This is a cool tone red kind of shade, but not in your face red kind of shade, a muted berry red kind of shade that looks beautiful on brown skin, and it's very comfortable. And the next two are their juicy lip tints. I have in the shade Fig, and the next one is Plum Coke. Plum Coke is another favorite shade of mine. The glossiness is so beautiful, and also it leaves an even stain. Oh my god, I just love it. And Fig is another favorite of mine, and this one shade is definitely suits brown skin tone so well, and also the tint does show up on my dark pigmented lips. So in Nykaa's pink sale, I think you should try one of the lip tints from Romand or LA Girl. Next is this Inside Cosmetics Cheek Tint Blush, which I would highly recommend you getting one for you, because this is such a long wearing formulation. I know the packaging is similar to Etude House, but the formulation is really beautiful. It's lightweight, blends easily, and it's very pigmented. You just need a teeny tiny dot and you are done. And this particular thing is going to last you for 7 to 10 hours, you guys. Like, I have tried it, tested it, and that is why I am claiming that yes, it's very long wearing. Next one is this Swiss Beauty Cheek It Up blush. This is in the shade Buffed with Roses. It's one of my favorite shade. I did post a video about swatching all my cream and liquid blushes suitable for brown skin. I think you guys should check out that video. This is how it looks. Don't get influenced by the shade Buffed with Roses, because this is a beautiful terracotta shade which has a pink hue to it, and it looks gorgeous. Even this is hell pigmented, and it's very long lasting. Say for 9 to 10 hours it is going to be there on your skin. The formulation is creamy, but it's a matte kind of finish. In this pink summer sale, I would highly recommend getting one of your MAC Strobe Cream. This is a 6 ml quantity in the shade Pink Light. Now this 6 ml has lasted me for more than a year. Yes, you just need a very teeny tiny amount and it just meshes into your skin so well. The shade Pink Light is suitable for brown skin just because I have used it, tested it, and that's why I'm saying that it is suitable for brown skin, because it does not leave any kind of white cast or doesn't turn your foundation or your skin gray. And this 6 ml, oh my god, it's a beauty, you guys. Like, even if you have thousands of dupes to this product, but nothing can come close to it. This is the OG, my favorite. Also, I've used this today under my foundation. You can see how nice and how healthy my skin looks. It provides you very natural radiance to the skin, which I absolutely love. So if you don't want to invest in a full size, try getting a mini size. I know it's pricey, but it's worth buying. The next ones are the newest launch from Swiss Beauty, which I would highly recommend getting one shade for you. I'm talking about the Swiss Beauty My Shine lipsticks. I have two shades with me, Mystic Brown and Candyman Pink. If you're interested in swatches, you can head on to my channel. Now, these lipsticks are creamy, moisturizing, lightweight, pigmented, suitable for our Indian skin tone. And also it has that shininess going on. It does not contain any kind of shimmer or glitter particles, but the shininess is not very long lasting. It diminishes with time, but you can retouch up anytime you want to. Also, I get many comments like how you can put back the product once you dispense out. It doesn't go back, you guys. You have to just click it from here and you have to dispense certain amount of product, apply it on your lips. So be careful about the product you dispense, because once you dispense certain amount, it is not going to go back. So you will really have to be mindful about that. Next is this Mars Pop Star Velvet Mousse lipstick. Oh my god, I just love this formulation because it doesn't feel anything on your lips when you have it. Plus it is a smudge proof and a bud proof formula. It's very long lasting, and this shade Rock Candy is one of my favorite, suitable for brown skin, and this shade was really very viral. It's very affordable, and you can find it at much affordable rate when on discount. I have got an in-depth review giving the swatches and the demo speaking a lot about this lipstick, so if you want, you can head on to my channel. And don't forget to pick one shade for you, because these are worth buying. Next, I also want to recommend the L18 2 Timing Lip and Cheek Tint. This is in the shade Candy Floss. You have another shade, but I was really attracted toward this. You just need very teeny tiny amount and just blend it out with your finger and you are done. This shade does show up on my brown skin so well, and it's absolutely long wearing, 7 to 10 hours. You can just pull off this cheek tint. I never use these kind of tints on my lips because I have a pigmented lips and I need a heavy duty lip tint which should show up on my lips. So for that reason I just use it as my cheek tint, and yes, it does a very great job. Next, I would like to recommend the Forever 52 Flourish face contour. This is their cream or liquid contour, and you get 16 ml of quantity. This is the shade 02. I think they have only 2 shades in this, so this is the darkest shade that I have, and it's a perfect contour shade. You just need one dot and it's done, you guys, because it's hell pigmented. I just don't love the packaging because you just have to open the cap like this and you get a sponge tip applicator, but you get a twistable thing like this, on and off thing. But when I twist it, the entire thing comes off, so you just have to be careful about that. I did not like the packaging so well, but the product is really very pretty. It's lightweight, it just blends like a dream and doesn't leave any kind of streakiness or patchiness whatsoever. And if you are brown skin tone above NC44, still this shade is going to show up on your skin. I think you can even try and use it as your bronzer shade if you are much deeper than NC44 skin. If you love Avène thermal water and it's not easily available, looking out for a closed dupe, then you can try the Urish thermal water. You get 300 ml aerosol bottle like this, and the mist is ultra fine. This helps to hydrate your skin, calm your skin. If you have any kind of irritation, inflammation, this will help to calm those, and it's perfect for all season. Doesn't feel dry at all, and it just seeps into your skin. Like, it takes little bit of time to seep into your skin, but it feels very hydrating and refreshing. I have been using it for 15 days now and I absolutely love it. It is suitable for all skin types. Coming to the last but not the least, I would recommend trying the hand cream from Bath and Body Works, talking about this vanilla buttercream, because this smells heavenly just as your vanilla buttercream icing. Plus the formulation is very, very nourishing and hydrating. Like, if you are suffering from dry hands, you just need a pea-sized amount and you are done, you are sorted. And the fragrance is really very long wearing, you guys. Like, if you wash your hands couple of times, still you can sniff the fragrance. It gets subtle by the times, and I have been using it for a month now. I absolutely am loving this product, so I would highly recommend getting this, because every time I want to get my hands, it's always out of stock. Finally I somehow got my hands on this, so if you are also planning to get, please turn your notifications on. Whenever you see this getting in stock, grab yours. Alright, you guys, it's a wrap for today. Let me know in the comments if you are planning to pick any of the products that I have showed in today's recommendation. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social media handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.